Hello everyone! Are you wondering how often you should clean a guinea pig cage? Let's find out. Keeping a guinea pig's cage clean is essential for their health and well-being. Daily spot cleaning is recommended to remove soiled bedding, uneaten food, and waste. This helps maintain a clean environment and reduces odors. A more thorough cleaning should be done once a week. During this cleaning, replace all bedding, wash the cage with mild soap and water, and disinfect any accessories. Ensure everything is thoroughly dried before putting your guinea pigs back in. In summary, spot clean your guinea pig's cage daily and do a complete cleaning weekly. Regular cleaning keeps your guinea pigs healthy and happy, providing them with a comfortable and sanitary home. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.